Depending on how you plan on using your tractor, here's 3 subtle differences that could make a difference when you're looking at a New Holland versus a Kubota.
Some of the things that will make New Hollands feel a little bit different than, say, the Kubotas that we also sell would be that their platform designs tend to be a little bit more open. It's usually a more spacious tractor around your feet. And part of that is because of the pedals. A lot of guys really get hung up on their pedal preferences, whether they like the toe heel design or the side-by-side pedals. We would have both options to be able to give somebody here. So New Holland uses that side-by-side pedal design that a number of other companies use. The market's split about 50-50 which way, but it can be a really polarizing thing. So here we've got the opportunity to put you in the seat of both tractors, and you can drive them around and buy what's more comfortable for you. Not something that you're going to be able to sit down and, without having that experience of getting in the seat, really know what's going to work best. Another thing that's a little unique about New Holland's tractor designs, if you look at their loaders, you're going to see they use one long continuous sweeping loader boom. That's a design attribute that they've carried back in here for probably the better part of 15 years now. The effect of that long sweeping boom is that the loader tends to sit just a little bit further away from the tractor than what a lot of other machines do. Now, if you spend an hour here talking about loader design, it's one of my favorite topics, but as your loader is a little further away from the tractor, you might lift a little bit less, but your trade-off there is visibility. So because the loader bucket's further away from the machine, it's easier to see. You've got better sight lines down to it, and it also is going to give you better lift height if you're going to, say, stack round bales. Remember, this is a company with an agricultural heritage. You need that lift height for a lot of those ag-type applications, and so that tends to be how New Holland biases their machines. It tends to be towards that kind of work.